Well, Post TV lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tina and I'm passionate about helping you achieve financial freedom. Today, we're diving into a topic that can truly change your financial future. You know what topic is that? Investing for beginners. Don't just keep your money in the bank. You heard me right, yes. Before you put your money in the bank, make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Keeping your money in the bank might feel safe, but in reality, it's not doing much for you. Absolutely, your money is secure, there's no doubt about it. But with the interest rate so low, at 0.45%, 0.5%, and all of those 0. You know what I mean? Lovelies, your money isn't growing at all. In fact, you're probably losing purchasing power due to inflation. So what can you do instead? Remember the saying that goes, do not let your money sleep. Invest it wisely and watch it grow. Yes, so that is the answer. Invest, lovely. Invest, invest, and invest. And invest wisely. Investing is one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time. No doubt about that. But I know it can feel intimidating, especially if you're just starting out. But don't worry, my lovelies. I've got you covered. I'm going to be giving you beginner-friendly steps to get you started today. Step number 1, understanding why you should invest. Why should you invest your money? Investing allows your money to work for you. When you invest, you're buying assets that have the potential to increase in value over time. This could be bonds, stocks, real estate, or even starting your own business. Think of it like planting a tree. The earlier you start, the more time it has to grow and bear fruit. Compounding interest, it's your best friend here. Step number 2, set clear financial goals. Do you know, lovelies, if you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. This is how powerful it is to have a goal in whatever you set to achieve. Likewise, when you are setting out to invest, you need to have a clear financial goal. What are you investing for? Why do you want to invest? Are you investing for retirement? Is it for a down payment on a house, or are you investing towards your child education? Having clear goals will help you decide where to invest and how much risk you can take. Take some time and write down your financial goals. You gotta pen it down. You have to be specific. Just like a boy or a girl walking up to you and say, I wanna be somebody. I guess you're gonna ask, who is that somebody you wanna be? Is it that you want to be a doctor, lawyer, musician, pilot? But you have to be specific in order to achieve your goal. Same thing goes with investment. You have to write down your financial goals. Instead of saying, oh, I want to save for retirement, you could be specific and say, I want to have $1 million saved for retirement by the age of 65. Doesn't that make more sense? Step number 3, educate yourself. We only bring in you ideas, but the responsibility is on you to research and educate yourself. The more you know about investing, the better decisions you will make. There are lots of resources online. There are available books you can read. There are online courses, and of course, there are YouTube channels like Well Post TV. Some of my favorite beginners books are The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Step number 4, Start small. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Thanks to fractional shares and apps like Robinhood, you can start with as little as $5. Dream big, start small, but most importantly, start. You ready to start? Pick a few companies you believe in and start small. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase your investments. Step number 5, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Remember what happens when you put all your eggs in one basket and accident happens? You don't want to do that. Spread your investments, lovely, across multiple assets, different classes in order to reduce risk. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, and perhaps some real estate or mutual fund. This way, if one investment doesn't perform well, others might. And that brings us back to when we said, do not put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is the key. And step number 6 is staying consistent. Consistency is what transforms average into excellence. You have to be consistent. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Making regular contributions, even if they are small, will over time add up, and thanks to the compound interest that can help you achieve value as time goes on. Setting up automatic transfers to your investment account can help you stay on track without having to think about it. Getting to step number 7. Lovelies, if you are enjoying this video, do not forget to subscribe, share with your family and friends, and hit the bell notification. Okay, now moving on to step number 7. Monitor and adjust. Keep an eye on your investments. Do not go and sleep. Don't sleep and forget about your investment. Remember, every investment is a risk, okay? So always keep an eye on your investment. You can always tweak, nothing is set on stone, and make necessary adjustments as needed. Market fluctuates and your goals might change over time. So with all of this, you have the ability to go in and always adjust as need be. Review your portfolios at least once a year and make sure it still aligns with your goals. My lovelies, investing doesn't have to be complicated. Start with these basic steps and you'll be on your way to building wealth over time. And most importantly, don't be afraid to seek professional advice when you need it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WellPulse TV for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or you have any topics you'd like me to cover in the future videos. Until next time, stay safe, happy investing, and a happy life.